I'm working for OptiSigns, and this is our new product, OptiDev, which is an AI app builder, which is specifically tailored for digital signage use cases. What's different from existing AI app builders is that you cannot push content to the screen in a secure way, but with OptiDev, you can because the URL that you publish is private only to your digital signage devices. Another advantage of using OptiDev is the ability for the agent to build the apps in the orientation or the screen sizes that you want. So it's just as simple as texting with the agent, chatting what you want, and then getting the output that you want on the screen sizes that you prefer. We also have connectors that allow you to connect a bunch of data sources into your app and build it easily with live data. So that's pretty much it. Yeah. Yeah. If for more information, you can go to optidev.ai and find out.